I just made over $21,000 this past week with one of the simplest digital side hustles that you can start in your 50s. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. No fluff, no complicated jargon, just real steps that anyone can follow, even if tech isn't your thing, because it is not mine. Hey, if we haven't met yet, my name's Wendy. I'm a 56-year-old glammy from Ontario, Canada, and I help fellow midlifers say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to freedom, flip-flops, and campfires by building a flexible online income that they can take anywhere. Now, let's be real. Nobody our age grew up knowing what digital marketing was. I mean, there wasn't even the internet, right? We had rotary phones, cassette tapes, and when the internet did come in, we had that dial-up noise that just sounded like a robot melting down. And when I started my online business, I was a complete beginner. I knew how to use my phone, open my laptop, and post on Facebook, and that was about it. Like, I didn't know anything about funnels, nothing about automation, and no clue what a lead magnet was, or even an email sequence for that matter. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a tech wizard to build a business online these days, which is great news. Like, you just need a simple system that works and a little consistency on your part. So if there's one thing that I know about our generation, it's that we're raised to work hard, stay determined, and push through anything. So when I found that I could actually make money online, I thought, if someone else can learn this, so can I. Like, that determination is what helped me go from a complete beginner to building a business that has now earned me over 7 figures in just a year and a half. Like, I can't even believe that number. And all starting with this same simple digital side hustle that I'm going to share with you today. All right, so let's dive in. But before we do, you might want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's completely free, and it walks you through the exact steps that I took to start this business from scratch. You will find it in the description below. All right, let's get started with the foundation of what you need for any online business, and that's your product. Without a product, you don't have a business. It's like opening a store with empty shelves. No matter how great your sign looks, no one's buying it if there's nothing to buy. Now, your product can be like your own digital product, like an ebook or a course, a membership program, even a done-for-you product that's ready to sell, or a course that you get the resale rights to. So ask yourself these questions. So how much money do you actually keep per sale? The higher percentage, the faster you make more money, and the faster you grow. Is there a demand? Are people actually searching for this solution right now? Is there sustainability? Can it be sold over and over again without you having to recreate it every single time? And is there an alignment? Does it match your values and the lifestyle that you're wanting to build? Personally, I started with a digital course that not only taught me the marketing skills that I needed, but it also gave me the license to resell it to make 100% profit. And that is called master resale rights. It's like walking into a store, buying the full setup, the shelves, the products, the packaging, and even the training on how to run it, kind of like a franchise. But the difference is you get to keep every single penny from the sale that you make. That one decision has turned into multiple different income streams for me, like affiliate income, memberships, software commissions, and even creating my own digital products. So the takeaway here that I want you to remember is start with a product that pays you well, that people want, and that you can sell repeatedly without starting from scratch. So number 2, you need to have traffic. So you've got your product, now you need people to see it. That's what we call traffic. The steady flow of people visiting your digital store. Even the best product in the world won't sell if no one knows it exists. So your goal is to create consistent traffic so people can find you. They're watching you and they're clicking through to learn more about what you have to offer. Now, there are 2 main ways to get traffic. You can do paid traffic, where you run paid ads like on Facebook or YouTube or Google, or you can do organic traffic, where people find you for free through your content. Now, when I started, I didn't want to spend money on ads, so I focused on organic traffic. That means using platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook to attract people through valuable short form or long form videos. So at first, back in February of 2024, I started my journey on TikTok. It's a free platform, it was fast, and it was a great way to get my message out there quickly. especially if you're brand new. But I did run into some big problems. Scammers. Like, I had multiple fake accounts pretending to be me, messaging people and trying to scam them with my face. It became exhausting to report them. It's like playing whack-a-mole. Once I reported one, two more popped up like a bad weed. And that's when I realized something really important. Like, TikTok is amazing for visibility and having fun with goofy videos, but it's not always the long-term business growth that I was looking for. So I shifted my main focus to YouTube. And that one change completely transformed my business. I gotta tell you, like, totally. And here's why. YouTube builds trust faster. On TikTok, someone might watch you for 10 seconds or 30, maybe your whole video if you're lucky. But on YouTube, they watch you for minutes, and that extra time builds connection and credibility. Another great thing is YouTube content works for you 24/7. Your videos never disappear. They continue bringing you in new viewers, leads, and sales long after you posted them. And the third reason, trust equals sales. So when you constantly create valuable videos that help people, they start to see you as someone worth listening to. And once that trust is built, the sales come naturally. And here is the best part. YouTube doesn't just help you sell your products, it actually pays you directly through YouTube monetization. So once your channel reaches the requirements of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads on the YouTube channel. That means every video you post has the potential to become another income stream. I'll even show you my own dashboard here so you can see exactly how those numbers add up, because yes, I make money from my digital products. That is my main income stream. And also now from YouTube itself. So if you want to follow the exact same steps that I use to grow and monetize my channel, then you're going to want to grab my YouTube Success Starter Kit. It's linked below. And it walks you through everything I did to get started, from setting up your channel the right way to connecting videos that attract the right people to building trust that leads to sales. So remember, pick one main platform, learn how to use it well, show up consistently with content that educates and connects to your perfect person. Because when you combine a great product with a platform that builds trust like YouTube, you've got the perfect recipe for consistent income and long-term success. So now that people are seeing your content, you need a way to stay in touch with them, because not everyone buys the very first time they see you on a video. That is where email marketing comes in. Your email list is the bridge between someone who saw your video once and someone who buys from you again and again. So think of social media like renting space. You don't own your followers, and the algorithm can change literally at any moment. But your email list, that's your home base. That's the one piece of real estate online that you truly do own. So when someone joins your list, you can send value-packed tips, encouragement, and resources. Remind them about something that they looked at but didn't actually purchase yet. You can share updates, stories, or new offers directly into their inbox. And here's why this matters. People are 3 times more likely to buy from an email than a social media post. So while views and likes are nice, your list is what builds long-term income. Every piece of content that you create, like a YouTube video, TikTok, Reels, should point back to one goal: getting people on your email list. Because once they're there, your system can do the heavy lifting through automation, sending follow-ups, sharing stories, and building trust on autopilot. Here's what makes this step even more powerful. You can set up simple automated email sequences using free tools like System.io. It's beginner friendly, it's easy to use, and it helps your business run while you're off living life. When somebody gives you their email, they're saying, I trust you enough to keep in touch, and that's huge. I always say that the people on my email list are my best buds. So here's your takeaway. Don't skip the follow-up. Your email list is your safety net. It keeps your business growing even when social media algorithms change. So now that you understand why your email list matters, the next question is, Wendy, how do you actually get people to join your email list? The answer is simple. You give them something valuable for free. That's what we call a freebie, or a lead magnet. A freebie is a small focused resource that solves one quick problem for your ideal audience. It could be a checklist. It could be a guide. It could be a mini training or a short video tutorial. It doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to help someone take one simple step forward. Here's why this works so well. It builds trust immediately. When you help someone before asking for anything in return, they remember it. 2, it gives them a reason to hand over their email address. People protect their inboxes, so they need to feel your freebie is worth it. And 3, it sets up your paid offer naturally. Your freebie should lead them directly to the next logical step, the product or course that you are selling. So for example, if your main offer teaches people how to start an online business, your freebie might be 5 simple steps to starting your online side hustle after 50. Or here's a checklist that everything you need before launching your digital product. And speaking of freebies, it's just like the one that I offered you, like my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the exact step-by-step blueprint that I used to start making money online in this digital side hustle. So it walks you through the same process that I followed to go from total beginner to building a freebie in the online space. And yes, it's completely free and you can grab it in the description below. You see? That's a freebie. So when you build your freebie with intention, it becomes a magnet that attracts the right people, the ones already curious about what you offer. And once they're on your list, your automation takes over. It starts nurturing that relationship through consistent emails, stories, and education. So your takeaway here is your freebie is the bridge between curiosity and commitment. You want to make it valuable enough that people are excited to join your list and simple enough that they can get a quick win right away. All right, we've talked about your product and your traffic and your email list and how you get them on your email list. But now it's time for the step that ties it all together. Because here's the thing, most people won't buy something right away, especially if it's new to them. They need more information, more clarity, and more trust. That is where your free class or webinar comes in. Your class is where you get to teach, explain, and show people exactly what the business model is and how it works. It's where you can take them from curious to confident. So in your class, you can walk people through what your offer is and what it does. You can share your personal stories, like how I went from a total beginner to earning full-time income online. You can show proof, both your results and other people's results, and you can answer questions that people are already thinking about but might be too shy to ask. So this is where people get that aha moment. They finally see what's possible for them. And speaking of classes, if you haven't watched my free on-demand training yet, make sure that you do, because we'll walk you through exactly how you can build this digital side hustle that now brings me consistent weekly income in, and how you can use the same system to start creating your own flexible online business. You'll find that link right in the description below this video. It's absolutely free to watch, and I promise it'll really help everything that we've talked about today just kind of click into place for you. Because I believe when people understand what is possible, that's when confidence grows. And once confidence grows, action follows. So here's your takeaway. Your class or your webinar is where curiosity turns into commitment. It's where people go from, I don't get it, to, oh, yeah, I can totally do this. All right, I'm going to wrap this up with a little story that ties this all together for you. Last summer, Papa and I decided it was finally time to teach our 3 little granddaughters how to ride their bikes without training wheels. One was 7, one was 6, and one was 5. And believe it or not, all 3 of them still had their training wheels on. Not because they couldn't learn sooner, but because, their parents were just so busy and it just didn't get around to it. So we lined up the bikes, found the helmets, and off we went. Now, our oldest granddaughter, we started with her. She's just more a cautious type and she needed more reassurance. And the middle one, she was fearless. She jumped on, wobbled around. She didn't want to take the steps to figure out her balance. She fell a lot more times, but kept saying, I got it, Glammy. And the youngest one, well, she surprised us all. Like, I wasn't even sure whether we should do it, but Papa's like, yes, let's do it, Glammy. And she actually ended up learning the fastest because she hadn't got used to relying on the training wheels as long as the other 2. So here's what I actually realized that day. The longer we rely on our training wheels, like the harder it becomes to imagine riding without them. And that's a lot like the traditional way of earning a living. The longer we've worked those steady jobs, the more we believe that that's the safest to ride our income bike. And we get used to that structure, that paycheck, that predictable path. But what we don't realize is that there is a whole new kind of freedom waiting once those income bike training wheels come off. Because when you finally learn that you can make money online without being tied to a job, without being tied to a boss or watching the clock, and without an income cap on what you can earn, you start to experience what real freedom feels like. The freedom to work from anywhere, the freedom to choose your hours, the freedom to earn based on your effort, not your employee's budget. And just like my granddaughters needed someone to hold the back of their bikes until they found their balance, you just need someone to walk alongside you, to steady your income bike until you feel confident enough to take off on your own. And that's exactly what this digital side hustle has done for me, and what I now help other people do every single day. Because once you take those training wheels off, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. Here's what I want you to take away from that story I just shared. The longer we keep those training wheels on, the longer we believe the traditional way of earning is the only safe way to live. But safety and freedom aren't the same thing. When you finally learn to ride on your own, to build income that isn't tied to a job, a boss, or a location, you realize there's a whole new kind of peace that comes with it. You get to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and design a life that truly fits you. And the best part here is you don't have to figure it all out on your own. Someone can walk beside you, steadying things while you find your balance until you're confident enough to take off and keep going. That's exactly what this digital side hustle and our community are here to do. If you are ready to start your own journey forward to that kind of freedom, I have a free class that walks you through the exact strategy step by step. We'll show you how the system works, how you can apply it to your own life, and how you can decide if it's a good fit for you. You can find the link right below this video. Because honestly, the world is changing fast, and digital marketing is the #1 skill set for the future. You can either keep pedaling the old way or finally coast into the freedom that's waiting for you. And if you want to see how I use this exact strategy to retire myself at 55 years old, you're going to want to watch this video right here. I walk you through the full story, the wins, the lessons, and the exact steps that I took so you can start building your own version of freedom as well. Go ahead, click on it now, and I'll see you over there, my friend.
Hi. Hi.